Adjustments are important. Hi readers, hope you have enjoyed reading the previous article, Quest for Perfection. Continuing with the description given for the channel, relish the article. I quote, that which happens regularly in life but to a large extent goes unnoticed, and also create and maintain interest in reading. Here is another article, Adjustments. Science tells us that when we enter a dark room for a few moments, we will not be able to see things or make out what is what in that room. But after those moments are over, we will be able to see or make out things in that room because the pupil expands to allow light, whatever available, to enter our eyes. The same pupil contracts when there is excess light, as is the case with the people living in snowy areas. Not only pupil, there are so many parts in our body which keep on adjusting so that we can live comfortably. In economics, adjustments can be called as opportunity cost or next best alternative cost, and accounts related people will watch that adjustments are those adjustment transactions which have not been brought into the books of accounts. Well, what is given below, those who have knowledge of accounts will understand easily. Adjustments are not only important in subjects but also in life. The importance of adjustment gets highlighted during and after marriage. We are aware that after marriage, the bride leaves her family and stays with her husband's family, because of which old family ties weaken and new ties are formed. A new saga of adjustment starts, not only living with husband the rest of the life, but also getting adjusted to new family, environment and culture. Some people out there might shout, telling that husband also makes a lot of adjustments. Yes, do agree, but husband has the advantage of being on home turf. Adjustments not only take place in homes but outside it as well, in places like playground, offices, schools, colleges, taxis, etc. You might have come across people who believe in being rigid or sticking to certain standards. How his her life is and of those around them. Definitely, it will not be a smooth sailing for them. Is there any benefit or advantage when people adjust? The answer is a resounding yes. To name a few, we can save unnecessary arguments, quarrels, loss of property, relationships can be protected, and most important, loss of life can be prevented. Well, do strongly agree that there are certain things and people without which or without whom work will not take place or we cannot live. But if life should progress, then adjustments can be done as long as it is morally right. If you like the content of this channel, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.